How are you, everyone? This is your teacher, your tutor, Nyurenda. Okay, let's answer this question. Okay, don't forget to like, share, and follow. Okay, so look at this question. Simplify. We have a power 2, b power 3 over 2c multiplied by a, c power 2, 2b divided by b power 2, c over 2a. So to simplify simply means to make it simple. Okay, so what we're going to do here is simple and straightforward. So we're going to write this one, a power 2, b power 3 over 2c multiplied by ac power 2 over 2b. Then if there's division sign, remember, we're going to use the same law of fractions, whereby when if division sign, what will happen is we are going to change this to multiplication sign. And what will happen to these two fractions, the numerator and the denominator, it will flip, interchange. So you're going to have 2a over b power 2c. You change the division sign to multiplication and you interchange. That's what happens when you're dealing with division. Now, once you have this something like this, this becomes more easier. This question came last year's paper, GCE final exams, general certificate education final exam. Okay, so what I'm going to do here is we are going to expand each fraction. So we have a power 2. This means we have a multiplied by a. That's a power 2. Multiplied by b power 3 simply means b multiplied by b multiplied by what? B. It means you multiply b 3 times. Then you say divide by 2c, which means you multiply 2 times c. We are done with this one. This is what we do when you have multiplication sign. We come to the middle one here, middle fraction. So we have a c power 2. What do you have here? It's the same as a multiplied by c power 2 means c multiplied by what? C. Over, what do you have here? 2 multiplied by what? B. Then we proceed. We have something like this one here. This is multiplied by 2 times a. This one. Over, this one is same as b multiplied by b. Multiplied by what? Multiplied by c. Like that. Once you reach here, what you're going to do is we are going to just simply cancel what is common on the numerator and the denominator. As you can see, let's start with numbers. On the numerator, the number that you have is a 2. On the denominator is a 2 here. So you can cancel these 2 and these 2. You can only cancel numbers on the numerator and denominators. You can't eliminate numbers on the numerators separate alone. No, so you cancel these 2 and that 2 goes. Now let's look at the letters. The letters here, you have a C here. This C, you have a C here and there's a C here. So this C and this one can go. You have another C here. This C here, this C here, and this C here is also what? It will cancel. What else? You have the B. How many B's do you have in numerators? B here, and a B here. You have 1, 2, 3, 3 B's. So here you have also 1, 2, 3. So this B, it will go, that's B. This one, it will go, this one. This one, it will go, this one. As you can see, I've eliminated 3 B's on the denominator, 1, 2, 3. Also the numerator, 1, 2, 3. Then in this case now, we are going to write what is remaining. So here in this case, we have an A multiplied by what? An A here. What else? Multiplied by what? Is also 1, 2, 3, and that 4 there. You have A multiplied by A multiplied by A multiplied by what? A. Over on the denominator here. Once you cancel here, which means there's a 1 here. Also there's a 1 that is remaining here. So 1 times 1, 1 times 2, we have a 2. So this one is the answer, but you can write it as in this format. You can write it as A times A times A times A, same as A raised to the power 4 over 2. So this is the final answer for the final exam algebra. Okay, so please, for private tuitions, we are located in Lusaka, Chalala, near Chalala Mall. So you can Kindly catch us on the number 077725758. Wait for the next video.